welcome back to Wonsulting's YouTube channel. My name is Veronica. I'm one of the social media interns here at Wonsulting, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a professional portfolio to supplement on your next job application or to just post on your LinkedIn profile. So I have two examples to show to you today. The first example is a little more fancy and the second one is very simple. I'm going to show you the fancy one first because I think you guys are really going to like this one. The first one is a website. It actually belongs to Wonsulting's UX designer Ida Hui, and this is the website that she pasted into her job application when she applied to work here at Wonsulting. So as you can see here, this is Ida's website, idahui.me. Now she did make this on GitHub and she did code this herself, so this is not a template, but you can use GitHub, you can use Squarespace or WordPress to make your own little professional website. So as you can see here, she has these panels. The first is a little cartoon of herself, projects, experience, and then at the bottom she has her connect, so you can reach out to her. So the first panel is all about Ida. She is a full stack product UX UI designer and developer, and then she has projects, 3 projects listed out. I would say 2 to 3 projects is probably good. As you can see, she has 3 here. So I'm not going to go through every single project, but if you do want to check out this website, I will link it in the description box below. Let's go ahead and take a look at her first project. This is Aardvark, and as you can see here, she has a little screen grab of the project itself, the role, technologies, and description. For her role, she was a team lead front-end developer. The technologies she used was Node.js, Express.js, MySQL, Bootstrap, EJS, HTML. And then as for the description, Aardvark is an e-commerce platform derived from a team collaboration. This product allows students to connect and buy and sell their goods with their peers. Throughout the production of this app, I held the role of team lead, solidifying a vision, assigning tasks, and tracking members' progress on deliverables for each milestone. As front-end developer, I developed and managed UI wireframes and mockups during the initial stages of development. Furthermore, I translated most of these designs to a functional prototype using front-end technologies, HTML, and Bootstrap. With our description, you do want to follow what you did, how you did it, and what the result was. I would say probably 5 sentences is good. And then right here, we have her experience. And then of course, at the bottom, we have the connect panel, and she has her GitHub, her LinkedIn, and her email. The second option is a lot more simple, and this is actually the type of portfolio that I put together when I applied to Wonsulting because I didn't have a website, and it was just a simple Word doc that I turned into a PDF and submitted. So this is an updated version of what my portfolio would look like now. And then on mine, I actually just have 2 projects. Like I said, you could do like 2 to 3 projects, but for this video example, I decided to do 2. So my first project is the Wonsulting YouTube channel, and then the other project I have is my Amazon Integrated Marketing Communications booklet, and this one is actually a class project. This is a project that I worked on in college. When you are listing out your projects and you don't necessarily have maybe professional project experience, you can use projects from school. My role was a project collaborator. The technologies I used was Canva and Microsoft PowerPoint to create this project. The Amazon Integrated Marketing Communications booklet was created as a class assignment. This project analyzed Amazon's marketing financials, target market, current marketing strategies, and competitor advertising, and required a SWOT analysis in order to create an entirely new marketing plan. As a project collaborator, I analyzed and reported Amazon's current marketing strategies and competitor advertising in order to develop promotional tools for our new target market and personas. This project resulted in an A in the class. And then for this project, I actually linked a TikTok that I made because I did make a TikTok on my personal account where I went through this project describing exactly what I did, what it resulted in, what I learned from the project. This option for a portfolio is really simple, and if you want to take it to the next level, I would put all of this onto Canva and make this PDF the colors and the fonts of the company that I'm trying to work for. So you can really play around with this and have fun and really make it your own and really tailor it to the job that you're applying for. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it and found it insightful, please give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below, and we will see you in our next video. Bye guys.